Hi everybody, it's Paige Chamberlain, your equine team lead. I wanted to talk today about hematomas. We get a lot of questions about how and when to work hematomas with your PEMF devices, and oftentimes the answer we give is not the one expected, so I wanted to take a second to clear the air here. And so one of the biggest things that we always get asked is, when can I pulse this hematoma? Oftentimes my answer is going to be probably not for a while. The biggest thing is that hematomas are actually pooling blood in the body from an area of trauma. We know horses like to play down a little bit. They'll get kicked out in the pasture, riding accidents will help. They'll come in from a pasture with a hematoma, you don't know where it came from. And the biggest thing is we need to get that trauma evaluated. We don't know how extensive the issue goes, or how deep it goes, and how extensive the tearing is for any musculature or any fascia. And so this is all blood that's just pooling outside of the veins and capillaries where it shouldn't be. So it's important to remember that one of our contraindications is that we do not pulse active bleeding, and I believe that this would fall in the area of active bleeding. Even though you can't actively see it happening, it is blood that is inside the body where it's not supposed to be. And so we don't want to move that blood outside of its normal healing time parameters. And so the biggest thing is we just want to check with the vet and get a game plan set in place for how we want to move forward. Hematomas are all individual, and I've seen some where we've had to hold off for 2 to 3 months, and then some that we've been able to go in after 10 to 14 days. And so every single issue is going to be different. Every single injury, hematoma is going to be different. The biggest thing is to understand the basis of what a hematoma is, which is pooling blood, and we do not want to play around with that. So talk with your vet, get a game plan put together, and you guys will be able to move forward. Odds are you'll probably be moving forward working with the issue after the hematoma has resolved itself, or after they've drained it, and you'll just be working on the fascia and the muscle issues that occurred during that trauma as well. So have no fear, PEMF is used in many situations. Hematomas are ones we just have to be a little bit more careful with. So I hope this helps clear the air on those hematoma issues, and if you guys have any more questions, just let us know.